Now let's create the extension method for our application like CORS configuration. CORS stands for cross origin resource sharing. So we can create a folder in the API project and give it the name extensions. Okay, now let's create the extension methods, extension class, which is gonna be service extension. Okay, and make it a static, and method is gonna be static as well. Void configure CORS, right? And the parameter is gonna be this a service collection services. Okay, so services dot add CORS. Okay, in the core options, dot add policy, give the policy name which is CORS policy. Okay, then builder builder dot allow any origin, allow any method, then allow any header. So this will allow any origins. That means the request can come from any domain, and request can be any method like post, get, delete, whatever. And it will also allow any headers, meaning you can include any headers like content type, accept, or whatever, right? So we are allowing everything in this policy, but you can also restrict the origin, restrict the method or header. So it depends on your application. Let's say you want to create an API that will only be using by some certain domains, right? Then you can specify that domains here using like with origins. So here you can provide that domain name, let's say http mydomain.com, whatever is your domain is, right? So similarly you can also specify the with methods where you can only accept. Same way you can also restrict the headers. So let's not make this complicated yet. Let's keep it simple and try to test this. So for that we need to call that extension method from builders services that dot add, configure CORS. Okay, let's build it. Okay, then we should also use that CORS. Maybe we can use it here. App, let's say use CORS and give the core policy name. So our core policy name is CORS policy. Okay, then build the solution, run the solution, and we should see the response. So actually we did not see any difference here, right? So we cannot test that CORS policy in our local host. If we want to test it, we need to deploy the API in another server, and then we can only test from the client. Okay, so for now let's use any origin, any method, and any header, right? In the next part, I will show you how to create a logging service. Alright, please guys, if you like this tutorial and learn something from here, hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.